Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a natural hair video. It's going to be how to preserve a wash and go, as I'm sure you can tell by the title. So this wash and go is 6 days old. I washed my hair Saturday and styled it and stuff, and I actually used the Kinky Curly leave-in conditioner and their gel stuff. I don't know what it's called. It was my first time using it, and I really liked the way my hair came out. You guys know, if you've been to my channel before, that I'm pretty consistent with using that Black Jamaican and flaxseed gel, Eco Styler gel, so that's what I normally use, but I really like the way my hair turned out with this Kinky Curly gel. So I want to show you guys how I have been preserving it, because normally, well, I will say, before I found this method, I just was kind of thinking about it, and I was seeing, let me try this out and see if it works, and it did, so I'm going to share it with you guys. But before that, I would just flip my hair over and pineapple it. Now, you'll see a lot of videos on YouTube about people or naturals pineappling their hair at night, and somehow their wash and go manages to stay fine for, you know, a week or whatever, but mine would always be super flat. I would pineapple it at night. The next day, so this would be day 2 of my wash and go, I would remove the pineapple, and all of this in the back would be straight because it had been flattened so much during the night, and I had been sleeping that way, so you know it gets flat, and so all of this would be hanging down here, and then the rest would be curly. So I was trying to think of a way where I could preserve the curls in the back so that I could wear my wash and go for at least a week. That's my goal. So like I said, this has been 6 days. If you don't want to count the day I did it, which was Saturday, then this would be 5 days. But either way, it's still looking really good, and so I'm gonna go ahead and share this method with you guys. So all you need is your silk scarf of any kind, a bonnet, and you're gonna need 2 clips. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give a disclaimer. If you sleep on your back, this is not going to work for you, because you will break the clips for one, and it's going to be super uncomfortable for you to lay that way. I sleep on my stomach or on my side, so this works really well for me. These are the medium size little clips. I got them from Walmart. So all you're going to do is flip your head like this. You're going to take a section on each side. So here you can see I'm gathering up like a little ponytail, and I'm just scrunching it. I'm not folding it up, not folding it down, I'm just scrunching it. And I'm gonna take this clip and I'm gonna clip it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So take this part of your hair, scrunch it, grab your clip, and clip it. And you guys can see what it looks like in the back. And then you can see it looks like this. So all of this part is in the clip, and it's just scrunched in there so the curls will stay. And this will just be like this on the top. And now you're just gonna go ahead and pineapple it. So let me untie this scarf. Okay, so my scarf is pretty big, so I went ahead and folded it so it's like a triangle shape, you guys can see. Flip, apply your scarf. Now you want to go ahead and make sure that none of the hair is caught in the scarf. Bring the point forward, and then you have it just like this. And I'm just gonna take these 2 pieces, go around in the back, and tie a knot. And you guys can see what it looks like. And so this is the front portion. Take your bonnet and flip it over. And now you guys can see, I know it looks crazy, but it works so well. And this is exactly how I will go to sleep and how I have been going to sleep. This is how I've been preserving my wash and go since I've really been doing them since the summer. So yeah, this is exactly it, you guys. And then in the morning, I literally just slide it off. I will unclip the clips. And you guys, I will just use my hands to fluff it, and that's it. this is literally all I do every morning, and this is the way that I preserve my wash and go. So I just wanted to share this with you guys if you have experienced the same thing with the pineapple flattening out the back portion of your hair. It's not really a big deal if you have type 3 hair, because your curl isn't as tight and it will hang looser and it won't be as obvious that the back portion has kind of, the curl, you know, has kind of fallen. But if you have type 4 hair and it's a little more tight and a little more afro looking like this, it's going to be very obvious when this back portion is totally straight and is just hanging. It looks crazy. Okay, so yeah, this is all I wanted to show you guys just in a really quick video. If you guys know of any other ways to preserve a wash and go, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will be interested in trying them out, or you know, there may be someone scrolling through the comments who may be interested in trying it out as well. So that is pretty much all I wanted to say. That's all this video is about. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you know, leave everything in the description box, in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.